Shandong Tonsen Equipment Company Limited is an international, comprehensive enterprise specializing in beer equipment, wine equipment, and other fermentation system equipment, integrating research and development, production, sales, technical support, and service. The company has a registered capital of 12 million yuan. It is a national high-tech enterprise and has a number of patents. It has passed CE certificates and a series of international and domestic certifications. The company now has over 90 employees, including 6 senior technicians and 20 people with a bachelor degree or above. It relies on advanced stainless steel automatic laser welding machines and laser cutting equipment, large-scale mechanical polishing equipment, CNC stamping equipment, adhering to the spirit of craftsmanship, and strict implementation. The quality inspection system ensures that all products are of excellent quality, which has won unanimous praise from international and domestic customers. Tonsen products have been exported to more than 70 countries and regions. Europe and the United States are mainly sold to regions. Among them, France, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and Belgium have dense customers. Most cities have Tonsen products. All employees of Tonsen take customers as the focus, respect customers, serve customers, and create value for customers as its business tenet. Pay close attention to product quality and continue to upgrade and innovate products. Through our unremitting efforts, we believe that Tonsen will have a better future.